Authority has issued law enforcement warning for the following counties or areas. Coconino, Arizona, at 8:10 p.m. on APR 13, 2021, effective until 9:10 p.m. Page Police Department is searching for a missing elderly male last seen at the Page Walmart at 7:30 a.m. today. Jason Igeny is 75 years old. He is 5'11" and weighs 145 pounds. He has gray hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a white t-shirt, jeans, camo jacket with orange shoulders, and red wing boots. Mr. Igeny suffers from dementia. If you see Mr. Igeny or have information regarding his current whereabouts, please call 911 or the Page